Hey, I'm Clay.
And I'm Cody.
And today we're going to be shooting at a few targets over there. And Cody, you can go get ready.
Okay. Where's my gun?
Right there. This right here is my fire starter. Yes.
Okay.
And do it. You gotta take this on the flint. Like that. Sets off sparks. Great way to start fire. And you can get these for like $1. Same thing. You take it on that side. But if you want to get some of this magnesium off, scrape it off, and then spark it, it will light a little patch for like 4 seconds. And that's a great way to start fire too. Okay, now we're just gonna start shooting at the targets over there. Hit it. Do a few more shots. Now we're gonna switch out the target and put this on there. These things right here, if you shoot these, they spin, so shoot with a BB gun, they're most likely just gonna go like that. Okay.
What?
Shoot them. We'll do this one and then bring the target up and show you how we shot. Oh, you shot it. Good job. Wait. Get.
Another chicken coming.
Get out of here. Go. Okay. Shoot. Show me chicken. Get. Go. Should get some sticks or something. Toss at them.
Oh, you got that.
I'm gonna have my brother shoot off a few more. Then we're gonna go up there and check it out. See how we did. Oh yeah, that's good.
I think I hit the one that is closest. Here. Bring what?
Safety on?
Yeah.
Well, we have a few in the black.
What?
You shot that one right there. That's the first one Cody shot way up there. I don't know if you shot any more, but I wasn't really paying attention. But
I shot more.
some that one's right on the 3.
I shot that one.
Okay. Anyways, that's one card. I guess we can do a couple more if you want. Or one more, I guess. We'll do one more.
Hey, Clay, I think that chicken wants to go fishing.
Dumb chicken. Hey.
There's a chicken on the fishing boat. Hold on. Dumb chicken.
We'll do one more card.
Okay.
I gotta line it back up. Yeah. Wait, let me do this card and then you do one. Let me do this card.
Okay.
Go over there and tell them that I'm gonna do this card.
My brother's gonna be doing that card that he just put up. And I'll be doing the next one. Looks like it's my turn.
Okay, B. You gotta do one and then we'll probably be done.
With the whole video?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here. Remember, this is the top, that's the bottom.
Hey, Clay.
Go put it in there.
I kind of want to make my own.
Cool. There's mine. I got one up here, and the rest are either, well, all of them but one are in the black. That one's up there, and then there's also one right in there. Now, Cody, do 5 shots.
Okay. Mom, be careful over here.
Back to the tires. One. During my next video, I think I'm gonna, during my next video, I'm gonna show you guys how to start a fire with one of these.
Ooh, 2 shots in a row.
What one is this one?
What?
How many have you done? About 4, 3 or 4. Shoot a couple more. Cody?
Yeah.
Hold your gun up. Pointing at the target. This thing goes on here.
I think I'm good. I think it's
Do one more.
one more.
Yeah. See, you hold it like this.
Like this?
Yeah. Yep. Take her off and bring her over here.
I hit it 4 times.
Let me sit. Hey, not too bad. You got 1 in the 9, and 2 in the 2, and 1 in the 5. Let's see who won. I think I did. You got, let's see, 2, 4, 9. You got 18. Yeah, I think I got more than 18. Because I have 3 that are in the black, which is 6, 7, and 8. I got a 9, and I also got a 1. Well, that's it for today, folks.
See you next week.
Okay, bye.